Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, है मेरी ये आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Girish. You know, this day is not only special for you, but it is very special for me as well. I love you and you know that. I love to do things which of course brings smile on your face. So this is just a small token from my side to tell you how happy I am with you, to tell you how wonderful you are, how amazing you are. I am so blessed to have a husband like you. On this day, I pray to Sainji to give you everything you desire for, to give you a good health, wealth of course, prosperity, lots of love from everywhere, all your loved ones. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Stay blessed, stay happy. I love you. Bye.
Girish, my precious, I love you so much. Happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true. God bless you with healthy, wealthy, long life. Take care, love you. All my loves.
Many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Good wishes for you. Happy birthday.
Verena, where are Diva and Kiara?
I don't know.
I can't
I'm
see
looking
them.
for them.
Really?
Happy birthday, Mamo Girish.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी. केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी. ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे हम.
Hi Glenn, many happy returns of the day. I wish I could be there to celebrate your birthday, but here it is, your wishes. I know we don't meet oftenly and we don't live in the same country, but you know you're my family and I always think of you. Be safe, follow isolation and hope you have a fantastic day. I will wait for the pictures and videos. And Rashmi, that's a fantastic idea. Once again, happy birthday. I love you both. Bye.
Hi Girish, happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. Have a wonderful and a memorable birthday during this lockdown. Blessings always.
All the best, bro. Happy birthday. Take
See
care.
you on Zoom.
See
We're
you on
waiting
Zoom.
for a Zoom party.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
We wish you a happy birthday, Girish Jiju. May God bless you with health, wealth, and success. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi Girish, many more happy returns of the day. I'm sure you're surprised with a lot of virtual birthday wishes thanks to your wife. May this year bring all success to you, all wishes come true. Enjoy your time with your family. Take care. Bye bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी. केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी. ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे हमको.
Happy birthday, Girish. Wish you a very long and healthy, happy life.
Wish you very happy birthday, Girish. Haven't seen you for so many days. We'll celebrate your birthday once the lockdown and everything gets better. All our birthdays will be celebrated. Be happy, be blessed. Take good care of yourself and everyone. You're an amazing bacha. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Girish. Can't wait to see you when all this is over. Lots of love.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you, my dear Girish. God bless you. Keep you happy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Girish. Happy birthday to you. Many, many happy returns of the day. Wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with health, wealth, success, and the best of what you deserve and desire.
Happy birthday. Have a blast.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey Girish, happy birthday.
We wish that God bless you and gives you good health,
And of course, wealth.
happiness and success. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Have fun, guys.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Girish, we're sending you this video to mark your birthday. We're sending you all of our love, lots of best wishes for the upcoming year. It's a bit of a strange time at the moment with coronavirus, but the happiness and the love that we're all sharing for your birthday is there, and hope that energy reaches you. You've got Josh on this side, you've got G on this side, and they both wanted to say something to you as well.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
And they've run off as well. So just wishing you a very happy birthday, Girish. Have a great time and enjoy. I'm sure that you'll be having plenty of drinks, and nonetheless we'll be drinking on your behalf anyway. Take care, buddy. Have a good one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Girish. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Girish. Happy birthday to you.
We were going to wear a mask and wish you, but we can't eat the cake, so.
Well, hey, Girish, blow it, Girish, blow the candle, blow.
Can't do a birthday, Charlie.
हाय भाई, क्या हाल है? मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे भाई. तुम्हारा जन्मदिन, क्वारंटाइन जन्मदिन तुम्हें मुबारक हो.
Many happy returns of the day, Girish.
एंजॉय करो अपना कोरोना वाला बर्थडे.
Quarantine होकर.
जल्दी मिलेंगे. स्टे सेफ. सी यू सून.
Bye.
बाय.
Girish, happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. Enjoy your day. Take care.
Wish you very happy birthday, Girish. Take care. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Girish.
Happy birthday, Girish. Keep smiling.
Lots and lots of happiness.
Happy
birthday, Girish. My many happy returns of the day. कोविड की सिचुएशन में पता नहीं मिल पाएंगे नहीं पता नहीं, लेकिन एक पार्टी डेफिनेट ड्यू है. बालकनी पार्टी करते हैं. आप लोग एक बार थोड़ा ये सिचुएशन नॉर्मल हो जाए, ईद के आसपास कुछ देखते हैं अगर होता है तो. लेकिन डेफिनेटली एक मस्त वाइन पियेंगे. ऑजी वाइन लेके आऊँगा मैं.
Absolutely, Girish. Happy birthday. Be the amazing person you are. I'm sure आपकी वाइफ ने बहुत अच्छा प्लान करके रखा है, कुछ ना कुछ सरप्राइज. सो हैव अ लवली इवनिंग.
और केक बेक खाओ ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ अस. एक ड्रिंक मार लेना, एक बियर पी लेना. ठीक है, चल बड़ी. एंजॉय इवनिंग. एंजॉय योर डे.
हैव अ लवली इवनिंग बोथ ऑफ यू, रश्मि, गिरीश.
चलो, बाय बाय.
Hi Girish, how are you? Wish you a very happy birthday. How young are you? How old are you? So when are you coming to India? After the lockdown at least, make it a program. So you visit Pondicherry. Okay, wish you all the best. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy.
Hi Girish, many happy returns of the day. Babaji bless you. Come to Pondi and we have a happy birthday here.
Hi Girish, wishing you a very happy birthday. Have a good year and a blessed year. Take care. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mamu. How are you? It's been long since we've spoken. Wish you a really happy birthday and a life filled with light and positivity. Love you. Happy birthday again.
Hi Mamo, hi Didi. Waiting for you guys to come to Pondicherry so we can celebrate once more your birthday, and we shall also have some more fun over here. Waiting for you guys to come to Pondicherry. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
wishing a very happy birthday. Happy birthday, Girish. Have a wonderful and blessed year ahead.
Hi Girish, wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Giri.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy birthday, Girish, from me and Athar. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Girish bhai. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you and may He makes you invincible to this pandemic. You live long and long, and may you get all the happiness in this coming year, all the successes, all the joys. May you and Rashmi see lots of beautiful memories in the coming year. God bless you, bye. Take care.
Hi Girish, how are you? How's everything? Wishing you a very happy birthday and lots of best wishes. God bless and many more to come.
Happy birthday
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Girish. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Have a nice day and celebrate it daily. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे गिरीश. यार एक्चुअली गिरीश, आज तेरे अलावा मेरे 2 और दोस्तों का बर्थडे है.
कौन कौन?
तूने नहीं सुना रहेगा बट मैं तुझे एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ. मेरा एक फ्रेंड तो है गिरीश, ठीक है, तो बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है. उसके अलावा 2 और अच्छे दोस्त बने. उसका नाम है, आप लोग को बताऊँगा, जो है एक ग्लेन और एक है जी. यू वंडरिंग कौन है? जो ग्लेन और जी है, ये मेरे 2 और अच्छे दोस्त बने गिरीश के बाद में. बड़ी बहुत फनी स्टोरी है, मैं आप सबको बताना चाहूँगा और गिरीश आपको सिर्फ याद कराना चाहूँगा. एक्चुअली ये तीनों नाम एक ही आदमी के हैं, वो खुद गिरीश के. ये हमें कभी पता नहीं था. हमें पता लगा जब हम लंदन में थे. मेरी फ्रेंड आके कहती कि यार तेरा फ्रेंड ग्लेन बहुत अच्छा है. मेरा कोई फ्रेंड ग्लेन है ही नहीं. बोला उस दिन आया था. मैंने उस दिन आया ही नहीं था. कौन है ग्लेन? बोला नहीं आया था. अरे मैंने सोचा बाद में जब अगले दिन आया, बोला यही तो ग्लेन है. बोला ग्लेन? ये तो गिरीश है. तो बोला अरे ये तो गिरीश है. गिरीश इतना अच्छा बंदा है कि वो जैसे आदमियों के साथ रहता है वो अपने आप को वैसा बना देता है. तो ऐसा है कि इंडियन के साथ रहेगा तो इंडियन बन जाएगा, अमेरिकन के साथ रहेगा तो अमेरिकन बन जाएगा. और सीरियसली उसके अंदर काफ़ी अच्छा टैलेंट है. और तीसरा भी उसने नाम यूज़ किया था जो कि जी, टू मेक इट वेरी इजी फॉर पीपल. फिर मैंने उसको अलग अलग नाम से बुलाने लग गया. तो इट्स अ सीक्रेट और मैं सब याद करा रहा हूँ. मे बी अभी तो यूज़ करता नहीं करता पता नहीं, बट बहुत मज़ा आया था उस टाइम पे जब भी तूने यूज़ किया था और मैंने फाइंड आउट किया था. बट एनीवेज, a very happy birthday to you. ठीक है, you have a very good day. Keep well, keep safe. Love from India. And I'll catch up later. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Girish uncle. It's quite weird to call you uncle actually. I should be calling you Bhaiya or brother. Hope you're having your quarantine birthday in a unique way with your family. And hoping for a grand celebration after the situation gets better. Enjoy your day and yeah, cheers.
Hello Girish, how are you? Hope you remember today is 10th May. It's doubly important. Important not because this is the day when you were born, that is 10th May. So wish you very happy birthday and accept my virtual hug. And enjoy this day in the lockdown, okay? And yes, more, I should remind you, today is also Mother's Day. So wish my sister, that is, okay, I will say that to her. Wish you a very happy Mother's Day, my dear sister. And Girish will transfer my hug to you. Enjoy the day. Have a great life ahead. God bless you always. Love you, dear.
Hello Grace, happy birthday to you. Hi, like the enjoy. बस
हिंदी में जो
हेलो ग्रेस, जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं. एंजॉय करो लाइफ में और खुश रहो.
Girish, happy birthday. I don't have a good childhood memory. I actually forget a lot of things. But then I remember how you used to wear layers of pants to hide how skinny you were, and my mom used to make fun of you. Then you actually folding all the bed sheets and everything neatly after you woke up, and mom used to complain because me and Avinash wouldn't do any of that. We were just lazy. So I have those faint memories of you being home and stuff like that. I think after all of this ends, I should just get to Dubai and catch up with you guys, because it's been long that we have caught up and spent time together. So let's do that soon. Till then, stay safe, enjoy your day at home, take care, bye bye.